Hello everyone, it's Kaini here and welcome back to my channel. Good news guys, it's finally Chinese New Year, which is one of my favorite festivals. So what do you guys normally do during Chinese New Year? Well, for me, we have lots of gatherings with family, friends, relatives. Besides, we get angpaos from the elderly as well, which is the best part of this event. And also, we will have Tuan Yuan Fan, which is the reunion dinner. We will have lots and lots of delicious huge meals to fill up our tummies. As for this Chinese New Year, I'm going to create a makeup look which features the Sakura flower. Isn't it pretty? I think it's really pretty, you know. I know it's a little bit Japanese, but it has been featured along in Chinese New Year events. During Chinese New Year events, they hang out a lot of Sakura flowers and also pussy willows everywhere as a decoration. Thus, I think it's a pretty good time to do a Sakura makeup for today. So, we will start right now. It's actually my sister's. So before I start my makeup, wait, I'm going to apply lip balm on my lip. Honey has chapped lips these days.
So as I was saying,
I'm going to start off with my makeup using the Etude House Face Liquid Blur Primer under Cherry Blossom Edition. I'll be using this as a base primer first before I do my makeup. We're just going to apply it all over our face and the neck. This product actually has a pretty sweet smell. I'm just going to spread this product out using my hands and a beauty blender. So for the next part, I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to use Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil. It's in Urban Brown shade. So this shade is more to a darker brown tone. I always like my brows to be a little bit arched, to have the slightly bent angle to create a more straight looking brows. I know most people have their fixed shape of brows, so this preference is up to you guys. So after I'm done with my brows, I'm going to apply foundation on my face. So the foundation that I'm going to use is Maybelline New York's Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. And the shade is Natural Beige. Next, I'm going to use Etude House Big Cover Concealer Tip to apply underneath my dark circles, my nose, and also some of the pimples that I want to cover it up as well. Okay, so guys, I'm finally done with my brows, foundation, and also my concealer parts. For this makeup look, since I will have the Sakura flowers beside my face, I don't want my eyes to stand out too much. So this makeup is going to be a little bit of soft glam eyes, but with Sakura flowers beside. Before I apply my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24-Hour Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. I'm just going to apply a little bit on both of my eyes. You know, applying eye primer before you apply eyeshadow makes it easier because the eyeshadow sticks on this primer really well and doesn't fall off. So it is advisable to apply eye primer before you apply the eyeshadow. So since I want a soft glam pinkish eye makeup look, I'm going to use Beige Cosmetics Ultimate Matte 42 Color Eyeshadow Palette. So we're going to use this shade right here, which is a darker pink color. To start off with the pink color shade, I'm going to use this brush. This is brush number 7 from Aurora Likes Edition makeup brushes. And apply this color on top of your crease. And then using brush number 6, Blending Crease brush, we're going to blend out the darker pink towards the outside of the crease. And then I'm going to apply the same pink color shade and blend it towards the outer crease to create a pretty pink gradient. Next, I'm going to use this pink shade right here and apply it on top the crease. And blend the colors out again using brush number 6. Next, I'm going to use the palette Take Me Back to Brazil by Beige Cosmetics. Using this brush number 6, we're going to tap it on this light pink color here and apply it on top of our eyelids. So I'm going to use this Aurora Lights by Beige Cosmetics. It is an 18 color baked eyeshadow palette with shimmers and glitters. So I'm going to use this shade right here. It's called Kaleidoscope. And yeah, kaleidoscope, you know. And I'm just going to use my finger to apply it on the middle of our crease. This is so pretty, I'm telling you guys. And of course, let me just apply the first pink eyeshadow on the lower lash line here. And I'm also going to top it up with the light pink shade beneath to the lower lash line here as well. So I'm going to draw my eyeliner using these two. So both of them are from Maybelline New York. One is Master Liner and one is the HyperSharp Power Black Liner. So I'm done with my eye makeup look. I already curled my lash, put on mascara, and also apply falsies. And the next thing I'm going to do is the point of this makeup. Now this part is quite tricky because it's about drawing the sakura flowers right on both sides of my face. I've tried it once before. It requires lots of patience and details in order to create the pretty flowers. So I'm just going to demonstrate a flower first, and behind it, it will be fast forward motion. So I'm going to apply NYX Liquid Suede Metallic Matte. This is Acme shade. And I'm going to use brush number 10 from the Beige Cosmetics Aurora Edition brushes. I'm going to use this brush to apply this NYX Liquid Suede on my face. And then I'm going to use Wet n Wild Color Recon Kohl eyeliner to draw the petals of the sakura. I'm going to use this NYX White Liquid Liner to top it on the sakura petals. Next, I'm going to use the same red lip matte to pull out from the middle and mix through the petals. So this is the sakura flower. I know it's a bit small. Of course, this look is unfinished yet, and I'm just going to fast forward the whole video on how I draw the sakura flowers. Stay tuned and watch. Okay guys, so I am done with my Sakura flowers. Oh my god, I'm so happy that it's finally done. Like, the reason why I'm so happy right now is that it looks so gorgeous. Like, oh my gosh. I can't believe I did it. Like, oh my gosh, I can't stop staring at it because I was like, oh my god, I can't go out like this, you know. Okay, so I'm done with these flowers. Oh my god, flowers. So before I finish this look, I'm going to apply face powder. So I'm going to use NYX No Filter Finishing Powder under Ivory shade. So using brush number 1, we are going to apply this on our face. Careful not to touch the flowers because these flowers are so pretty, they don't deserve to be touched by anything. So I'm going to contour my face using NYX Professional Makeup Matte Bronzer Medium Shade. I'm going to apply this bronzer using brush number 3 by Beige Cosmetics. I'm going to apply it below the jawline here and also the bridge of the nose. I'm going to use the 10 color Nude Blush palette by Beige Cosmetics. Using the blush brush number 2, I'm going to apply this pink shade right here beside our cheeks. I'm going to use Duolight 9 color highlight palette. I'm going to apply double whammy on top of my cheekbones. And then I'm also going to apply Top Secret on the nose. And also using fan brush number 6 by Beige Cosmetics, I'm going to apply it below our brow bone. And for this look, I'm going to finish up with the NYX Cosmic Metals Lip Cream Crystalized Metal shade. So I am finally done with my Chinese New Year Sakura makeup look. And do you guys think it's pretty? I just don't really want to wash this away and just stay like this for the whole day. I feel like this is one of the greatest look that I've done so far from my makeup. I guess it looks pretty amazing. This makeup took me a lot of patience because all the details and stuff, and I think that's all for today. So if you guys like this video, please help me to click the like button, and of course you're welcome to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to stay tuned to more of my YouTube videos in the future. And you're welcome to follow my makeup account, which is Collective. I will post and update a lot of makeup looks in there, and if you're interested, just follow this account to stay updated. So happy Chinese New Year again, and I hope you guys enjoy your holidays, and I'll see you around. Bye guys.